Hi, I'm Elliott Hasuik, Principal of Digital Media at Part& Sum, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite tools for driving conversions online, and it's called Criteo. So Criteo is a way to reach users after they've visited your site and been tagged with a pixel. You can reach them while they're browsing the web across display networks. So it's really powerful for dynamic retargeting, which is a way to show users the products that they've interacted with on your site while they're elsewhere on the web. And as targeting and retargeting gets increasingly difficult post ATT, so after Apple rolled out app tracking transparency, where users now have to opt in to tracking instead of opting out, retargeting is becoming less and less effective, and conversion optimization for prospecting is also getting less and less effective. So Criteo is a way to reach users after they've visited your site and to close the loop on conversions. So just as an example of how powerful this can be, I want you to take a look at this campaign that we're running currently, where you can see using a 30-day click attribution, 30-day click, 1-day view, meaning anyone who clicked on an ad in the last 30 days or anyone who viewed an ad in the last day. You can see that with a tiny budget, $93 a month, we're able to hit 25 attributed sales with a 3.6% cost of sale. So 3 cents on the dollar, really, in terms of driving this conversion. And if we go into these KPIs, you can see with these drip budgets where we're barely spending $2, $3 a day, our conversion rate on average is 17%, cost of sale is 3.6%, and ROAS is 28. So for every dollar we put in, we're getting $28 back, which is pretty crazy. And as it becomes increasingly difficult to drive conversions and full funnel performance on Facebook and Google, Criteo for now is one of the ways to make sure that we don't lose that sale after we've already paid for users to get to our site. And since Google has delayed the end of third-party cookies, so until the end of 2023, we will continue to recommend Criteo for any advertiser running e-commerce campaigns, driving paid traffic to their site to ensure that we don't miss out on that conversion at the bottom of the funnel. For more information, please reach out to Elliott at partandsum.com.